Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I'm going to be diving into the wonderful, whimsical world of Japanese robot cafes and restaurants. Japan has long been known as a leader in robot technology, so today I'm going to be exploring what kind of really cool robot cafes and restaurants are available in Tokyo, and taking a glimpse into what the very near future might be like and how we might coexist with robots someday in the future. Our first robot cafe is located here in Shibuya, inside the Modi building. So let's go inside. This cafe is called Henna Cafe, which directly translates to strange cafe in English. But it's not only strange, because hen is also the first character of another word in Japanese, henka, which means change. What's interesting to note is they have really good coffee here. The person who made these blends is actually an award-winning coffee barista. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose our coffee. Okay, and I will put my coins in here. Now I have my ticket. So we're going to scan this right over here. So the robot, he's taking the cup now already. He's filling the cup with ice. Wow. Ooh. He's grinding the beans. What's really amazing about this machine was this coffee machine was designed by an engineer at NASA who actually was inspired by Blue Bottle coffee and their drip coffee. And it uses pro techniques of like circular motion, so you get an expert cup of coffee. It's ready. Thank you. Well, let's take a look at our coffee. Cha-chang! This is my slow drip iced coffee made by a robot. Oh my goodness, that is a really good cup of coffee. It's really fruity, kind of like orangey notes, but it's not like too sour or too acidic or too bitter. It's very easy to drink. This is a really fun little cafe to pop by, and it's just on the B1 floor of the Modi building in Shibuya. So if you're ever in the area in Shibuya, it's really easy to just pop downstairs. Well, we still have some more really cool robot cafes and restaurants to check out, so let's keep on exploring. Bye! I am now here at the Peper Parlor. It is a restaurant that is run by Peper, who is a SoftBank robot. And I've never seen so many robots at any establishment before. It is crazy. There's so many Peppers. They're waiting at the front desk. Let's go talk to them. Oh. Oh, okay, so this is the menu, so you can look at your menu, but it also says to be seated, so she's gonna guide me to my seat. Wakarimashita, okay. Ah, there he goes. Thank you. So this is my seat. This is crazy, and there's a Pepper. All right, thank you. Is he gonna leave now? Wow, bye. All right, so we've now sat down, and I think today, so they've got a delicious menu. They have so many options. They've got like pancakes, spaghetti, like rice dishes. And he'll talk to you while you're ordering. I'll talk to you in a second, Pepper. But... Wakarimashita. Arigatou. So I think I'm gonna order today the Omurice. Apparently it's really good. It looks like it... Daijoubu desu. So it looks like I'm gonna order, it's got like a demi-glace sauce, kind of like a hayashi rice stew with omelet and rice underneath. I think it's gonna be really good. So let's get that.
このお店のコンセプトは、人とロボットが共に暮らすワクワクする未来を感じていただけるカジュアルダイニングになってます。渋谷という街中にあるんですけれども、緑豊かなインテリアを使っていたりだとか、このカフェでペッパーと触れ合っていただいて、将来的にはお家に迎え入れてペッパー やロボットたちと暮らしていただけるような未来をなったらいいなと思ってます。
Oh my gosh, my food is here! すごい! Thank you! So I'm taking my delicious looking omurice. Thank you! Oh, that looks amazing! It's got really fluffy omelet and some ketchup rice inside. Let's give it a try. いただきます. Oh, that's a big bite actually. As expected, the sauce is a popular Japanese stew called hayashi rice, hayashi stew. Usually it's eaten just with plain rice, but it also goes very well with ketchup rice, which is what is commonly inside omurice.
よろしくお願いします。
ペッパーの好きな食べ物は何ですか？
僕、食べられないんです。
He also does other things like dancing, so you can actually play with his apps. So let's see what he can do. Queen, let's hear it. The champions, my friends. This has been really fun. Thank you, Pepper. また今度ね. Bye.
はい、またお話ししましょうね。
This is the Dawn Avatar Robot Cafe, and what makes it really special is that the whole cafe is manned by robots, but the robots are actually avatars that are controlled by people who are not actually physically here at this cafe. So this is definitely a look into the future. Let's go see what it's all about.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
プレゼンありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。This is amazing! Wow, let's go to our table. こんにちは。
こんにちは。はじめまして。織姫パイロットのちーと申します。今静岡県に住んでいて、海沿いの町で猫2匹とのんびり暮らしながらお仕事をしています。家族と一緒に海を見に行くのがリフレッシュになっています。
このカフェで働いてどうですか？
自分で好きなところを見ることができるっていうのがすごくこのお客様と一緒におしゃべりしているような感覚です。
いろんなところを見れるんですか？
はい、今、お客様の後ろから来ております大きなロボットがお水を持ってまいりました。
すごい。
はい、織姫 D というロボットになります。
本日はご来店ありがとうございます。
わあ、ありがとうございます。
タブレットに QR コードを表示しますので、その QR コードを読んでください。そうしますとメニュー画面現れます。
Okay, so she recommended the curry and the sweet, so I think I'm gonna go for both. I'm gonna try this spicy chicken curry. So the menu is actually in English too, so it's very easy to order, and I'm just gonna press order.
この分身ロボットカフェドーンバージョンベータというのは常設の実験店になります。ご覧の通りにお店にたくさんのロボットがいるんですけれども、その向こう側にはパイロットと呼ばれる外出困難者ですね、障害があったり家族の介護等で外出ができない方、社会と接点を持ちたいという方が働くためのスペースを作るために設けられたカフェになっています。こちらにいる、テレバリスタというロボットですけれども、もともとパイロットの中にバリスタの仕事をしていた方がいたんですけれども、彼女は障害を持っていて自分の手でコーヒーを家族に入れてあげることはもうすでにできない状態なんですね。ただ彼女がもう一度自分の手で家族にコーヒーを飲ませてあげたいという夢を語った時にですね、ネクステージというロボットの会社の社長さんがじゃあ一緒に開発をしようと、今は彼女もここで大活躍をしています。
This spicy chicken curry smells incredible. You can smell all of the spices in it, so let's give it a try. Here we go. いただきます。Oh, that's delicious. It's got a lot of different flavors. Not incredibly spicy, but like spices are in there. And the chicken is, there's lots of really big chunks of chicken, so if you like a nice meaty curry, this is really good. So this concludes my robot experience here in Tokyo today, and it was so much fun. There were so many possibilities that I just didn't even realize existed. So this is really expanding the possibility of our world and really making the world completely barrier-free. 今日はありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。またお越しください。
はい、また来ます。
はい。
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And please look forward to another video very soon on Japan by Food. それでは、バイバイ。